Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I created this black smoky classy look. So if you're interested in this video, please like, comment, and stay tuned. So the first step I am doing is applying my primer on my eyelid, and I'm just blending it in with a brush, random brush. All brushes will be listed in the description box below. So we're going to blend that in, make sure everything is blended in nice and smooth. Next, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to use that pretty brown as my transition color using my transition brush from Morphe. So I'm going to gently place it on my eyelid. And just use back and forth motions. There's no specific way to apply your transit color. So next I'm going in with that black color using the same brush that I used to apply my primer. I just switched the brush over to the clean side, and I am applying that black color on my bottom eyelid. And with this color is more of a build up color. So you'll just see me gently going back and forth with this color. So I like to pack a little bit at one time, and I just like to blend it, gently blend it out. So here I am just taking a look to make sure to see how it is coming along. And I'll take breaks in between to make sure that it's giving me the look that I want to achieve. So now I'm going back into the palette, and I'm just adding a little more color because, like I said, this look is more of a build up. The color, to be specific, is more of a build up color. You want to let it build up. Well, really, it depends on what type of look you're going for. And I like mine to be pop out. I couldn't find a word that I was looking for. And can you guys believe that it is less than 60 days left of 2024? Like, I just cannot believe this year went by so fast, and I have so much in store for my channel. So you guys just stay tuned. I have new brushes, new products, and I am just so excited to show you guys what I've been doing, what I've been working on. And yeah, stay tuned. So like I said, this color, you're just pretty much building it up until it gives you the look that you want. Some people don't like their black as dark as mine. Some people don't, so it's just really your preference. Yeah, you guys, and yeah, I'm just so excited. And leave a comment, let me know what you guys like about this look. Let me know what palette you use to create the black classy smoky eye look. Let me know, drop comments below. Feel free to let me know what products do you use to create a black smoky eye. And my favorite palettes right now is by far the Juvia's Place palettes. Their pigmentation is just out of this world. I really don't have to use, I really didn't have to go back into the palette as many times as I did. I just want to make sure that when my makeup settles in, that there's no cracks and nothing looks cracky. So that's the reason why I applied as many times as I did. But make no mistakes, Juvia's Place palettes has yet to disappoint me. Has yet to disappoint me. I just love their palettes. They're very affordable, and yeah, all those pretty vibrant colors. You just can't pass up on them. And here I am just taking an observation, making sure that both eyes are even. And so far, so good. It is turning out perfect.